Oh, I saw your question on discussion board. You got a sample size of 65. You want to find the probability the sample mean greater than 229 if the mean's 228 and standard deviation for the population is 3.4. So I know you stat crunch here to do that. Go into stat crunch, click on stat calculators. I don't choose the normal calculator. The mean's 228, so I'll put that in here. The standard deviation you got to take for the sample, you got to take 3.4 and divide it by the square root of sample size 65. So I cut part of it off, but you take 3.4 divided by the square root of 65. So the sample standard deviation 0.4217, which I put in here. And so we want the probability being greater than 229, so we want greater than 229. Click compute, and it gives you this number 0.0088, which I think you rounded here, around the 4 decimals. Would this be considered unusual? Well, it's less. If it's less than 5%, then yes, it would be. And so this is less than 1%. So yes, it would be because it doesn't lie within 2 standard deviations of the mean. Hope this helps.